Well, my dear students, today we'll discuss about the OC and SC test experiment. How OC and SC tests can be conducted on a single phase transformer, right? So, by conducting OC and SC test on single phase transformer, we can calculate the performance parameters like efficiency and voltage regulation of the transformer, right? So, as per the syllabus, we need to conduct OC and SC test on single phase transformer, right? If you want to conduct any experiment, we need to have a setup. So this is our setup, right? This is a single phase transformer test rig. So with this we need to have some components like the meters to get the readings. So you can observe here, this is the transformer on which we are going to conduct single phase, on which we are going to conduct OC test. So this is single phase transformer with a specification of 230 volt slash 230 and 2 kVA transformer. So we are having the terminals at the primary side as well as the secondary side. So but with the help of proper circuit diagram we can make the connections. So we can see the already the connections have been done. So after the connection we need to conduct. So we can see here we are having a supply system. This is the supply system. So from which we can get the single phase supply. So this is nothing but the indication of three phase supply available. So after that, with the help of MCB and the on and off switch button, we can operate the supply. And after operating, we will get the supply in all these four terminals, which is nothing but three phase supply. So here we are conducting the experiment on single phase transformer. So for that we need to have only single phase supply. So we can take the single phase supply from this three phase supply, so that we are using only R phase with a neutral to get the single phase supply, which is given to the input of the transformer. So this is the first component which is using in the experiment. And from the output of the transformer we need to make the connection as per the circuit diagram, right? So the connection is already done. With the help of circuit diagram we can make it. So we need one voltmeter to get the voltmeter reading during OC test, and we need one ammeter to get the current reading, and we should have a one wattmeter, the LP of wattmeter, to get the power consumed during the open circuit test. So these are the components which are using to conduct OC as well as OC test. First we need to see how OC test can be conducted on single phase transformer. Okay. Now we can first we need to check whether the position of the auto transformer is at 0 or not. Now it is at 0, so we can switch on the main supply by using this MCB as well as push button. Now the supply is available in these terminals. So from this we are giving the supply to the input of the auto transformer. Now we can apply the rated voltage to the primary circuit of the transformer during OC test. So with the help of the auto transformer we can increase the voltage. At the same time we need to observe the voltmeter whether voltage is changing or not. Slowly we need to apply the voltage to the primary circuit of the transformer with the help of auto transformer. As we know, the rated voltage of the transformer is 230. Here we are using 0 to 300 range. So this is 220. It means we need to read the lower scale. Now it is 230, right? So we apply 230 voltage to the primary circuit of the transformer. After applying 230, we need to see the ammeter reading as well as wattmeter reading. Those readings should be taken and put it in the tabular column. So you can see here observation table. For open circuit test, we need to take voltmeter reading, ammeter reading, as well as wattmeter reading. Those are, first we can see here the voltmeter reading, which is 230 volt, and current is, so we are using 1 ampere range, 0 to 1 ampere range. So we need to read the lower scale. So it is about 0.2 amps, 0.2 amps current, and wattmeter is 21 watt. Those reading how to be put it in this observation table. Voltage is 230 volt, current is 0.2 ampere, and wattmeter reading is 21 watt. And we need to also see the wattmeter constant of this, so that can be calculated with the help of formula, or we can take it from the table. We can see here. So we have taken the range of voltage as a 300, and we have taken the range of current as 1 ampere. So the wattmeter constant is 1. So that wattmeter constant should be multiplied to this, that is the wattmeter reading, to get the power consumed during the open circuit test. On the other way, we can calculate wattmeter constant as, which is equal to voltmeter range, ammeter range, power factor divided by full scale deflection of the wattmeter. So with the help of this formula also we can calculate. So like this we can conduct OC test on single phase transformer. Okay, after that we need to reduce the voltage. With the help of auto transformer we can reduce the voltage. It means we need to bring back to the zero position. So after that we can switch off the main supply with the help of push button and